Hi, this is Biba Obibia Akwaba. Hadia later Zan Hot East Qua Enemy Bremo. Enuti so we can subscribe ya. Omodia say over subscribe to that channel. Jobian say over click the subscribe button. Now barely notification. We have a video for phobia be uploaded when the first person I will sub the can video. I feel we are now like video give us a thumbs up now fee. Shema Ato Forson when you be here na wo hu ensema enkoso ewo Ghana be mohano afi ye hwe eye ensema ababeto ye koso yiti eye sa report ya ababeto ya yiti sansi ya koso yiti
ute Mustafa Gbandi ya che o se no program no kra wantie bi sa peace partner na me no mi no utie no to make sure that elections are won at the polling station. So if elections are won at the polling station, make sure that when I kwatena no, obemu weni ada ho, no make sure that biya betimi akonkan. Kwame, it's not the matter of talking. It's not the matter of making who make allegations. Now understand this one, and I'll repeat this and I'll say it again. In 2020 elections, the primary responsibility of the NDC to collect results was problematic. Now what the national security man Kwame, okay. Ubisa no one kasa jitu mu say on the part of the NDC they have failed. Uye NDC na se wutie mia. This kind of elections, mamumfo ni brem ko easy for so. This kind of election, mamumfo ni brem fan ko mpanyin for so. If you are not able to correlate with it, that is their primary responsibility. If only 5 regions are tricky in, now can 5 regions about your software crazy. Then no the amount for doing the agro catch on some call and quest stampede in quay the day and making sure electoral commission office or no amount for the day. I said don't catch up and such my head. And I said don't catch up catch. I said even collection of results was even problematic.
And was a peace pact, no one more sign. By the I thought you were enthused with Hassan Ayarga.
Oh yeah.
This is no kind.
Oh yeah.
I thought you were enthused.
Oh yes.
Now when you had or say 3 main contenders for this election and a table no so no.
Yes, and a blowing of your own trumpet.
John Mahamadu Bawumia, including himself, start training in Arsenal almost free enough.
But basically, if you look at polls, the polls are not even
forget about polls.
Oh no. Polls are so even favor him.
Forget about polls.
They don't even recognize him.
Polls didn't favor Trump, but he won.
Polls didn't favor Trump. But anytime you are going for the polls, wait, Makasa, Obenya ni pami no anasa miensa bi wom. Sa anko for me ensa ne de anya hwe. Emu ba ko be win. Now if you look at polls na Kwame, others, yemfa ne ma Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng bam, Cheda bam, Hassan Ayarga is not in the picture. But Kwame enra, ye more political figures na baso. Enra, tama ye show them who say what otchere John Dramani Mama. Me so do gina ho a o kasa ora friend Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia gina ho na o kasa de di kan Kwame empayifo no kra gi atum so mo kwa sign peace agreement peace pact and answer de ben kra no Kwame is a good sign for Ghana. Now this is not the first time we are going for elections. We've gone to series of elections do na ya kwa no Kwame ye be wie ne bi wo ho a enoma bi sisi but people understand say there be. If you look at Ghana, open mind back asumwie near jitum our processes are fair when it comes to elections. Sometimes people have doubts about it. You go to a court of competent jurisdiction, they will take this kind of decision. But Kwame, what say the na air koswa? Me kai say before say empire forecast only this peace pact ebano. Obeshanen swa. The National Democratic Congress for Babonte be catch say Kwame they are not going to do it. Meaning so kaya. E can say normal because Ghana had they are not happy with it. And if you look at the 2 conditions that they gave, one, almost ukopiem ewo techiman south wa yeto abawie ye enkofobi free mu na na de Akufo Addo the president of the Republic of Ghana wa mambonte ama be nkondeme wa ma ama mechirechirem ankas ade akoso no Ghana fo nyina mfa nche ne sa no ma no de etoso mi if you look at this kind of elections ayekwa if you look at the voters register Kwame ye wo irregularities some discrepancies and a whole lot of issues be Kwame yen hwade. Now, if you look at these issues at air cost, me say we should allow the politicians to do their politics. But some now because of propaganda, because we did throw man send the Sani panning and I use of credit Ghana for. Our duty and responsibility as Ghanaians, our duty and responsibility as journalists, and I say we sit here, we educate and enlighten the ordinary Ghanaian. We don't belong to any political party. And they said, can we not be cancer? We look at the merits and demerits of the matter. We look at the facts, then we check the facts. So some many panic kind of crap and say, Kwame so won't be yes, see about a 2 year in 2020. Nature na end it for someone send this understanding and I'm random. They say if you look election year 2 in 2020, Nipa moche ba boncho mu yen Kwame. Nana Danko Akufo, who is the president of the Republic of Ghana, Kwame, Wama Montema Mekasanfa, and Kwame Untibida.
Yeah.
I listened to Ase Dunkatia, I listened to great men in the NDC, and if you look at one, Cardinal Region no Mujina, so almost say, Nana Danko Akufo Addo, Yatua baby and Nipan what you free mono, Akufo Addo didn't come out to even register his displeasure, Akufo Addo and Kasanfa. Kwame, the war phone be almost adiwi. The war phone be almost adiwi. Where your 2020 post, Akufo Addo condemns gun violence in Odododio, Techima in South, that leads to death. Kwame, where 8 December 10th, 2020. Tia 2 abanu on the 7th. And Nipan wo twini free mono. Na Nana Danko Akufo Addo on the 10th of December, Kwame, Oba Bontebe Kasai. And Kwame, listen to Nana Danko Akufo Addo over here. I say, President Nana Danko Akufo Addo has condemned the violence that led to the death of some people in Odododio constituency, Techima in South and Sevalugu following the general elections on Monday, 7 December 2020. The 2 persons were confirmed dead in Odododio after a gunfight and clashes. There were another 2 deaths in Techima in South in a separate gun incident, while 1 person died in shooting incident in Sevalugu. And Kwame Dabiaka, someone say, "Ye three bibina in quotation marks." The means a nipa na samna okai no, ye ni bim free. Do okai ni babe kan ho asem. Kwame. So listen to Akufo Addo over here. Now I say, I condemn with no uncertain terms the isolated incidents of post-electoral violence in Odododio and Techima in South that led to a few regrettable deaths. President Nana Danko Akufo Addo, who was declared the winner of the poll, said in his victory on Wednesday 9th. Now, also made their source rest in peace. He consoled, adding, "We must work to avoid the repetition of such events in the future." And Kwame, you see the politicians over here. No more casem. One reason na NDC for so munyina so mebo maba so makwa sign there. But Kwame, we are there back so munyina so no mon kwa sign this kind of peace agreement. Say the kan wo hwe no ma esisi here in 2020 elections. Man nipa wo hwe omon kwa. Na Nana Danko Akufo Addo amambo ndema mekasa kra mfa ho. Na Nana Akufo Addo ankasa mfa ho. But it's wrong. Kwame unim say even in parliament Haruna Idrisu or MP for Tamale Central na.
Yeah.
Now Kwame, listen to Haruna Idrisu. Haruna Idrisu Kwame on the 23rd of March 2021, NDC MP filed motion for Parliament to investigate 2020 election violence. Haruna Idrisu. And Akufo Addo didn't buy here after elections. See, I talk about on December 7th, on 10th. Oh, Babo on Tebe Kasai. Somewhere in March, already didn't Haruna Idrisu also copy Parliament. Also wrote this kind of motion and said there be Nipan what here free, so we should conduct investigations. Maybe NDC for the come no more again say. If you look at Noma Isi Kwame, there should be a roadmap. And can see it me investigations. Investigations say and say if you are able to repeat one thing, it is bad. We should make sure if you are able to identify the problem, we should get solutions for it. Do you know say 2020 elections Kwame? If you look at issues about your electoral age, and I am 61 cases. Now 61 cases, no, emu 8 in a nipa free mu. 8 cases in a buy a nipa what you free mu. So Kwame, if you listen to the no more kind of first of all. They no mujina so no mo cast or there be sa peace park no mo nko sign and say Nana Danko Akufo Addo amambo tema o kai say mrebi John Dramani Mama say is not going to congratulate Nana Danko Akufo Addo. Reason being that on Nana Danko Akufo Addo as supervising ama ya to aba abato na eto ye no nipa nwotwe wu Akufo Addo ma abonteme pa achew. But Kwame, listen to Akufo Addo over here. Now, we should allow the politicians to do their politics. Yeah, 100 years. Our major responsibility and objectivity should come into bear. And this is what happened. They are tossing me Kwame. Almost say, if you look at the voters register and you're transparent, the credibility issues were formed. Kwame, take this. Young core elections that before, during, and after elections, our opposition party and is in your agenda, especially when it comes to voters register, both the NPP and the NDC. Mekai in 1992, Kwame Ato Forson and the new patriotic party said there be about 20 course the roadmap. And quite fast with the 2 ban, it was wrong. Now the NPP goes to court. Kwame in 1993, NPP call court no. The lead counsel for the new patriotic party, Nana Danko Akufo Addo. Already the papaya Kwame Pana no ada omo call court na oye lead counsel in the 2012 election petition for the NPP lawyer Philip Addison. Kwame, if you look at 1993, NPP goes to court. They challenge the voters register and say the voters register and papa. In 1996, the new patriotic party also rose up against the voters register and say voters register and papa. But Kwame, in 2000 elections, the same voters register and MPP for come once no, they won with the voters register. Now, Mekaisa before the 2000 elections, the NDC said the voters register is a credible voters register. And it's our time, no, Afari Jamu voters register, no, it was the best. And no more catch a Ghana phobia so beyond Concoto.
Yes, of course.
Now, Kwame, in 2004, the NDC comes back into the picture and says, the voters register they talk about in 2000, you're credible. Because Ore friend J. Akufo, any Afari Jamu. In 2008, Ore friend John Evans Atamo said, the NPP is trying to rig the election through the Electoral Commission. Almost say, if you look at security agencies now, or when you have carbon person who are banum and farmer or anything, and another than Kwaku Addo. And surprisingly, Kwame, the same voters register now, Kwame, or this voters register and you're credible, no, it won elections for the NDC. In 2012, NPP came back to the picture and said, voters register and your papa. In 2014, now the Kwaku Addo treaty, or catch us a Mian Nasi, Ghana, Emma Obia Onya Ghana ni our free West Africa. Any president in my the voters register in your papa. Obakaya. The NPP even said, they want an international audit firm to come and audit the Electoral Commission. Yeah. Because voters register and come in. Say in your papa. At that time, one cast a wofa. And it didn't say, Dunkatia catcher say, what a kind of voters register in your papa, what being yet, what bodam. Oh, yes, that is what he said. Or for some people say, they are just making noise. They are not speaking sense. The voters register are credible. Now the damn Kwaku for the 2 years. And as Sammy could buy into the picture and say, Mammy, a friend Charlotte was say, Quite what first all your voters register na eba. As a Mamenu Kita an agenda, be say, or per se NDC Winyabano, and they are not going to sit down and make sure says voters register and Sano Kwame. Voters register in 2016 wins elections for the new Patriotic Party. Now NPP comes into power. Now from 2017 basically, and the voters register say, and who say be. But Kwame, me no me. There be a catch so we have to educate and enlighten the ordinary Ghanaian. Obakaya, Agyapong ma NDC ujina so someone sign this peace part no Kwame. It's about the voters register, transparency and credibility. Mekai say omo catch the Electoral Commission say 1, they should do auditing. 2, they should take measures to make sure say they take urgent actions about these discrepancies at Kwame Aircoso and said say no man Aircoso and Konkai. The Electoral Commission rise to the NDC and tell them say, okay, Mose Kwame Adumana Oye and Konkai, then give us a specific data, back it with data and evidence, and make sure that they work on ye Kwaku Annan so to take a decision. Kwame, another ye tria okay, Obusumia Katriaba, ye free be gross, and ye free be net. And to net no say a bar and a just any one Casaudia. Gross no yet to know my free. Now if you listen to the Electoral Commission at that moment, Uche Jena Sama Oka was say if you look at this kind of voters register, a provisional voters register. A provisional voters register. It doesn't say it is a final voters register. And almost say if you look at issues at NDC for Brazil by if you look at the voters register, irregularities, doing your transfer amount for business, they've taken note of it and they're dealing with it. Why are political parties failing to address Ghanaians and say voters register na easy for them to be credible? And I can't make a because the time when you provisional voters register, you were having issues with it. Also irregularities, discrepancies, you are transferring cophobia, and you are not going to buy into the idea. Say you are going to take this voters register, say the elections. And the voters register, you can't once a year. Electoral Commission calls you into a dialogue in a meeting, and that day it was telecast live. NDC raised their concerns. Electoral Commission catches said they are going to deal with it. Now, Kwame, Electoral Commission deal with now they are able to offload or erase names are any papa any discrepancies ne sanomane woman sanomana Kwame. Why are the political parties failing to come and tell us and then the Electoral Commission they are ban Kwame credible? And Kwame make an answer say because what's Kwame now Kwame prove beyond all reasonable doubt at so yeah. Why don't you come out to educate your people and tell them say
in some now they come kafa ni panono and so babon team Afenyo
yes who say akabe 1 week to elections if the voters register Kwame and Kenya papa irregularities and ya bloating and issues and Kenya the National Democratic Congress and the New Patriotic Party and Afra Tony Chedamono and they will be contesting it. And I mean, by this time, Comania be raising concerns. People are registering their displeasure, saying, say, there will be voters register where your papa and me and Franco Kotoba. As we speak today, may this kind of elections Ayeko, may everybody learns on the job. There be an example say, we start here on the 14th of October. Kwame Obatnas and console, you might have issues with it. But the day I was starting you are able to identify the challenges and the problems, and you gave solutions to it. But listen to this: the more you are learning on the job, and we will be to say Jane or Ba will be taking over. The first time we had discrepancies, especially even in terms of percentage. There was inconsistencies about it. And they say what say, and they say what say. Amount for raising concerns, but this kind of election that we are going, open electoral commission by Kwame. Don't say to Abano. But if you look at their dealings, their roadmap, when you first you see free and fair manner from them. This electoral commission, you can never underestimate them.
Yeah, but there are some petty mistakes. When mistakes occurs, people begin to question.
Yes.
For example, it is a certain part of the country, ballot papers they call answer.
Yes.
I mean, how should that happen?
Though you are doing a fantastic job, but as we are then you are raising a lot of avenues and windows. Suspicion. We are going for this kind of ample time to prepare yourself. What catcher say you are fit, you are ready for this kind of election.
Commended the commission for allowing the media to be part when the printing
thank you, my brother.
Place and everything. And at the sea war. Eastern region, saying it here. Ghana Police Service wishes to inform the public that an incident involving the broken seal of one extra material bag in Koforidua intended for distribution to one of the constituency within the Eastern region has been successfully resolved.
Yes.
It has been revealed that when the bags were removed from the armory, one of the seal was found to be off. It has been established that this occurred as a result of parking and unpacking of the bags.
Yes.
The broken seal has been found and the content of the bag have been confirmed to be intact by the stakeholders, including the Electoral Commission and representatives of the political parties who witnessed the incident. Sometimes young citizens what is said? My first report Nyama wodwa wamode ko Eastern region nyama no de Nina is not a police statement by one of the bags.
Yes.
And during the parking and unpacking. And parties and all of those who were involved, no, no Agyarko say Bibia, even though the seal was broken, no, Bibia empty. And like Bibia everything is intact. All parties involved, no.
You are educating a Ghanaian. And to be a OTA will be an Madika catch us a natural Ghana Hano. Said Musu, your boy, conquer or we.
Mammy, you in the next 10 minutes, Nami Ninkomoka Krabi or her and then a brain shedder in the Mafa, in Tinami Bonata, Tonka Kraga Krabi Navi, Yakoya Nimna, Yatwaso, Eddie, a free one more. Mengo Manoso, na many. Deputy National Secretary, the NDC, Mustafa Bani Ninkomoka Kra. Mustafa, good evening.
Good evening, Kwame.
Now, Bawumia.
Brother, I don't as a number na you know where check a cra.
Ebeba.
This the MPP for no so say man Kasanzwa.
Yeah, MPP for no man wo say.
Ja, one more dear. So by morning kwa.
Now Mustafa, I peace party initially at NDC young, but finally I want pen that sign.
Oh, me no ya sign. Ya sign because I go away. I assume here. We will tackle, man. We Nambia. So, the MPP for the NDC, and Ghana for.
Ghana for.
I didn't about to about one year. About to ensure Yeku. I didn't very clear. Will be our bone transfer over years. And will be so I abandoned the money I ever was away anybody. Way Basa be any. So, we didn't try what quite a few, a year. Also, of a crown, Frank, I know. What's also? MPP for Abedi 7 years, 8 years. That's our position, command the answer, command, or my Jojo answer. Ghana force okay, ya bremo, one background, my boss by Pabia. Ye 2 million will be about. Most of them penny. Can't try any chamber. But beyond that, President Mahama, AUPA, or represent peace. Or a former president. Se Krobe ya na empenifu e wasa kuru sese wa motra wo mokonya so. Na na do pe no ye penyi a watra so ama no aban o mo wieska. Edi bone. President Mahamadu Debi. Se NDC ni nto a e ya me ba na ato. Se MPP so MPP ni o. But wa sign ye wo an se wa sign. Ena 2 yes yama easy enya niema yi oma brebre ho easy anya forensic audit but wa pele so ama ye nyina ya hwe niema num ama ya ye review na ya ye a bit of audit register yi wa kwa hwehwem ena odi aba ebia afa na wo mo wi abia on ba register I wo de enim say betim dia to aba mana ye jade ntina yan sign peace pact na womu a womu di etire enfa asumdwe nya adwuma na Ghana nya asumdwe na mmom yama MPP fu ehu say peace pact no anya blood covenant so anya educational certificate say your polling station na nyama dane a yabeda ne ho because ye ko election ye bi ekuro na eko ye ko for 8 2020 and say ni sunu da so we nim na ye kono obi adwin say ono de obewiem chenchira ne chen obewiem chenchira ne chen say the MPP for ka wo mo semi say wo mbewiem na wo koye sa ade no a ye ntwen so ema onye ohunto say ye trance National Security Protection Unit that will be training pooling agents that is Bekutatu or Okokum Ampai. Oh, and the police for Eddie Womo, S.A. Bayo. Said the Abatwa, Edanu Beduno. Yam Pelesoma will be in concert mask, bit is a ocotre. One of the Wakashim so a soldier ni, Yasumano, Sa soldier ni Yaba Bruno at the Nakoto police station. Nidonyame.
No
because Sadia na woman ya dia kunkro for be 8 no yam peneso maninsi da MPP ni ba bia ni wa oboka kwa shamak so kudi bone obi a be shamak ashe soja atade a wonye so wo ye konfo ye chewa ye no be di no no
ye ne be ma security na security for ai ne be ma ye chewa ye do be ma security for na mra no wodi
ye be teni ye be buru answer do am
for ye be buru no debi mutaba kata o radio so your national television
say so obi ya na adwen say afi we obehura NDC ni bi o polling station me do nya me nya adwuma
obi antimi hura no bia
obi antimi hura obi abato no be ye one vote one individual one man one vote hey Kwabe MPP for so ma betra ba him 8 years 8 years 1 district 1 factory 1 village 1 dam 3 SHS we enakra de almost had Ethiopian airline ya akoko jina Kumasi account Kumasi for there almost so nim bibia omo ro wo mo di kofom enti so de plane ekosi Kumasi airport wa say why ye juma ma Ghana for ho atom Kumasi for nto abama
no it's a step
when you na chire no
step say Kumasi flight with free me say a good step say flight with you free London Abaha straight say a good step I mean we started
airport so anya ka kwan
no but we started from somewhere and here we are there. Now
yeah before the shaft here airport
no government is about continuity
mtomu wo mu ye na nko mo ade no credit a che Kumasi for say eteni ba no President Mahama no ono shaft o ani e be continue ani
so buy no obi aye bibi
ya bon nyina chire no yetimi awie
obi buy no obi aye bibi
ya be di hu fa so
Mustafa
kwame enti wo mo se wo mo aye adwuma adenti na wo mo di atutua sama ye adwuma wo mo fa Bawumia nsi we NAPO yi a wo mo di o ma ba se NAPO na on yo ye de share on Asante fo be di na kire anya adwuma so wo mo fi se NAPO represent the Asante, his character, his nature represent the view of Asante. Wo mo man go polling station na Ghana for on this side. Yani ye fi se President Mahama ana waye biya ba wakwa saba wona na Ghana fo betimi attract no a Ghana fo beto aba o maka wo mu anum kasa adenti na se so obi di basabasa yo de ko ana ye di ka train MPP fo no say ye de ye start hwe se ne ye na asem no to no ase no to o mu di tuo ko ye so di tuo ko to obi aboa no ho na okoe ye nyina di tuo ne ba fie obi amfa nya hu saa ne aboa ho a ye de ko o omumra ne nyina ye ntra police station ho wo ye NDC ni o wo ye MPP ni o ye nyina ye ntra police station sa ya taya ya nom sa ye ti ya nom pito bi nso na ho a ya nom ye to aba ni wie na wo wini a wa wini ulusu a wa lusu ye mpere so ma obi nkoya basa because MPP for my command the Ghana for o hia de yen enye ntokwa na ede beda wo ase ana as I see a creative atmosphere Ghana ni bia betimi akoto na ba
okay
enye ato na Ghana for be so so mi so so be ko police station obi ba ko bo mituo kwame sa de nu ni ho both NDC MPP ya ma ho kwan obi a obefa ye kire kwan sa de do eye kromfo ye ba ma police for ni na di so this park ready ya sign na MPP for wo mo mfa bra panko police station ho wo mo ya o ma je se kronosam ye sika de wo mo wi abi pa but about one de o mutimi wiem
okay nia meka and say you know maybe a giant sir with the electoral commission mo okay they were near called distribution of electoral materials near there mo okay
Kwame, oba inform to wasem one. O ye Jesus Adam for kra won to wasem.
Okay.
Babia yedu no. Electoral commission nya Afenya. Ye ne kwakobom kro aka so onye na dwuma yie. O pe kra akofa ye fe ora samoku jato. MPP Council of Elders so kai.
Yeah.
Me owo judicial council.
Me kai no.
Wo mo mfa nya electoral commissioner NDC be wini aba no. Because say one man, one vote. There is no way these people will win election in Ghana come next week. There's no way. Wemu Ghana for whom papa. IMF abre womo. Your friends IMF na wamo so international funding agencies abre womo. Look, they are scam. These people are a scam.
Okay.
Now Ghana ni ohia de o. What who pay say and for your USK, Oma Mabobra, Oma Jibosia, Oma Chedi. Now we start to Obama or almost say, Woman Medu Kaya. Sanya, I say will be a auto obre emaneho. Wama Bobrebia, Kwame Kwama Bobra da. MPP for Trana Kromuha 7 years, 8 years. Utuna Nado Fua, Nane fu. Say nyawo da oya president adenti na oto for komisa MPP for mpanyi for say enyama nko ye do mo koto na adofo a na ne bu afu say bio ni patie anso de saa ya ye tie saa ne tie na ne bu afu na okakam enyawo na oya president adenti na be kire me na wo di oil sector nyina di ama wo nua bomti ana omo afa and now the finance ministry and the Ken Ofori Atta and we go for banks and a pensioner tika no more fa and a Kofotika a good bank I am basa that year when you are share high near Koto Abama MPP I mean Kwame yes so yame
okay
ya do ya mada che
yo mate
and go forward akwa fast one there trumu no wompe womo be trebe no woma womo be gie tum said ye trumu womo fe hin womo de to education curriculum unso nyame Koto Abama womo
Mulabana yasi John Mahama baha weekend
ya baba kron mo se me say afiwe Asante region here stronghold ya ni Asante for na eko sa ya de ya ne anya o ya nya o faye kwase buo ya na nado ene Bawumia mu abu Asante man kwase a wo mo jusu Asante man papa ni wo mo buo mu kwase a emranti a ya ma wo mu akwanya nyina be di minister just take away Stika, see how the Onunsu cry treat you.
No, it's not fair. So we describe as a restica way.
What's there?
What's a restica way?
Sticker, mini sticker. Why don't you say me a ceremony? And
you can Yanamatan.
Sticker, echo chichu, say constituency beside say, obey your account. Yakama Parliament, work on your Minister of Finance, Deputy Minister of Finance. And you're the money treat. And you're the money treat too. And you're the money treat too. Now, a minister chichu.
No, but is it wrong for a minister to have a gun in his car?
Only bodyguards.
The registered gun.
Atomic bomb never until.
No, I have my gun.
And the Oya Kwame, Oya Central, you the Okano crack. Now, minister swear. What one my Bobra Pabia? Me say, MPP, to be the woman's actually factory back one, woman seen was Asante region. I employ for 10 no. Me Mustafa me resign. What original minister na no cut her. O say NDC for so mo see a hospital back one complete here. Woman can be resign. Are you the one accounting to the people or we are supposed to be the ones accounting to the people? Una wa be mu. Uye bi sa oba ye. E dia na wa ya ma santeman. Ye de NDC for there. You better be the answer say you see hospitals, see schools. Ebi ye ni fi aban mu. You better say so the answer say Kumasi airport expansion. President John Dramani Mahama Shah here. You better be so the answer to Abu Cafe. Kajetia market. President Mahama Shah here. Again when you need a boat. Now, so more amunya boat class antimine. Again, a motivation antimine. We say NDC for everything here. Say you see hospitals are. Yani ewa bemu. Oh, sanya sakrono ya no mdi tra bemu a enne wo mu hwache wo mu yi.
Mozaba enemy ni bre.
Antimine ebe to ba ma Ghana for ho ato wo mu. Because obi a be blame ya antimine say mu no ma to abama enkofo a wo mu mobra wo kro mu. And the woman Baba try so. Mini na anyansa for wo MPP, woman you one party, woman ye. Nemom, se si ade e am say anyansa for ni nyina akoda.
Okay.
Womu ya kukudam. Womu kasa MPP a eye etibi siesie kro no. Sankofo ni nyina atiada. E na na de obi ka na asem. Empete ku de
eye mame fauzia. Mami Fausia, a brand new Mafa, Mr. Wafatami, the Deputy General Secretary, Edema NDC, and our teacher, Menino Edin Como, or aha na or chase him at the Mayano, Jene, Mustafa Niatin and can't now judges. Okay, young way.
The otchere should take emotions and sentiments out. Now let's deal with the matter. Then let's deal with the substantive matter. The edikan say me NDC na meet show we na numra me rebeho, because if this is going to be your deputy general secretary, and if you listen to the general secretary who doesn't speak with facts, he speaks with emotions and sentiments, and this one who cannot go straight, and there's a lot of inconsistencies about him. Now me can say me chira kwame be wan tiase me say me papa ne John Dramani mam na say me NDC nia John mama essence so di gum no na ne nkofo mi so essence so ni tutugu. Now you've given this man an opportunity be about 30 minutes ubisa ne questions ubisa no, you want him to project the cardinal principles of the NDC, the kind of policies and no more mbeye, and ubisa no electoral reforms elections one ubisa na say was say nipa nwotwe no muku omo nom ye NDC for Kwame, let me give you a factual thing. It is factually incorrect. It's never ever true. Nipa 8 no mu ye no, there is no card, or they are not card bearing members of the NDC. Say now that say want say be to about enclave na say tutu na say bia ni wu a, it doesn't mean say bia me NDC ni. The empirical research ben why background ben why chere say I'm a delegate of the NDC. I can be a sympathizer, but then show the chere say me a sympathizer. The toss me no Kwame or say, if you look at this kind of elections, why are you sign peace party no na James Akrant me wiabanu be Kwame e no Mustafa Gban we have one tie omuyi.
Yeah,
say me see catch on we NDC ni amaren we ute Mustafa Gban di ya che o say no program no kra one tie bi Sa peace partner na no mean to make sure that elections are won at the polling station. So if elections are won at the polling station, making sure that one hour kwakwatina no, obemu weni ada ho, no making sure that biya betimi akonkan. Kwame, it's not the matter of talking. It's not the matter of making who make allegations. Now that's one, and I'll repeat this and I'll say it again. In 2020 elections, the primary responsibility of the NDC to collect results was problematic. Nan wada national security man eba na Kwame. Okay, ubisa no ankasa jitu mu say on the part of the NDC they have failed. Uye NDC na se wutie this kind of elections, mamumfuma ni brem ko easy for so. This kind of elections, mamumfuma ni brem fan ko mumpanyi for so. If you are not able to correlate with it, that is their primary responsibility. If only 5 regions are tricky in, now can 5 regions are by your software crazy. Then no the amount for doing the agro catch on some call and stampede and making sure electoral commission office or no amount for the day. I said don't catch up and such my head. And I said don't catch up catch. I said even collection of results was even problematic. Now Kwame, what you Mustafa Bani or say so who say Chief Justice or your MPP near and also a Chief Justice Kwame. You see sometimes the way we do our politics. Today the NPP is in power. So maybe you are associating the Chief Justice and okay. So the government of Ghana, when it comes to the executive, now the Akufo Addo has the powers of appointing over 7,000 Ghanaians. Most sensitive areas in Kwame, Akufo Addo now appointing. But we want to ask ourselves a series of questions. Now, if you look at our court of competent jurisdiction, here judiciary now, can someone tell me say, "Say judicial system with Marco the Assembly to your Where you chroma when NDC won power in 2009, one has what done for Kofi Agyapong and Afenyo where we come Nigeria. Was we have so many ways of killing a cat. Was the Assembly of people Supreme Court to be a they have issues with it because as a it doesn't go into their favor. Uba Benya Obra ni National Security Minister Kandapa once if you look at the judicial system, they should do something about it. Now, Kwame, why should you come so low into the gutters and say a Chief Justice, you are trying to label the person to be an NPP person? Or now so bad, maybe Chief Justice be now man focus they are trying to label him to be an NDC person, and the person doesn't look at the merits and demerits of the matter and find objectivity, any integrity, any credibility. How are you going to deal with it? These are the kind of stuff Kwame is here. This kind of elections, Kwame. You can never suppress the will of the people. Nobody can suppress the will of the people. Utie Mustafa Bandi asema wakani say or patch say what say nipa na beto abane ba akodia. Now this kind of election that we are going, the NDC have a certain kind of notion say the new patriotic party they are going to rig the elections. And I monte. When to MPP 4 person we have MPP and no MPP 4 person we have and then the NDC force we have somebody stop it. That is your primary responsibility. Don't come and re-echo problems to us. The reason why your people voted into office, national executive, say they have ultimate faith and confidence within you. Say you can protect their vote for them, you can police their vote for them.
Yes.
And your radio, Sony TV, soon about the deal. Nienti Atwabama say Deputy General Secretary, and you see that problem has affected the NDC since 2016. Akufo Addo was one of the best on the day. Buani. Akufo doesn't appear on the ballot paper. Nana doesn't appear on the ballot paper. Do campaign for your own people.
Yo, tipo, we and someone about it. So we can subscribe. Bawumia say, subscribe to the channel. Sanse Hadia later than hot news and Aremeyaw Bremo. I feel we are not like video, no share my Ato Forson. We be here now, and summer episode. I will Ghana no harm. Also, between otchere what you fire and some way now. I will comment boxing. In my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.